how does this raw meat become premium cat food?
This number decides safety and nutrition.
Raw versus finished. Can you spot the hidden nutritional value?
Moisture can ruin everything. Do you see it?
This machine shapes every single bite.
It all starts far from this factory.
Ready to trace the complete journey?
Up, up, tilt back, steady. Hold it right there. Tighten that strap. Secured. What could contaminate this cargo during road transport?
Tier 2 trans went through me. That's it.
Check the seals on the pallets before he brings them out. Already noted it down.
Do we have the clearance for lot 45B?
Everything looks correct here. Did you check the seal on the back, Lyric?
Yes, I double checked it before I pulled up.
All right, perfect. You're all set.
This is where quality control really begins. Keep coming straight back. Easy now, slow it down. And hold, you're clear. Clear on your side?
Yeah, clear. Pulling the strap now.
All right, pull it straight back. Watch the clearance on the right. Keep coming. Rotate left now. And hold.
Cleanliness starts before any cooking happens.
Every single particle clean enough.
Increasing flow rate by 10%.
Acknowledged. Maintaining temperature.
Proper filtration protects both flavor and food safety.
The flow rate stabilized after the filter backwash. Good, the turbidity levels look consistent now.
Clean and ready for sorting.
What gets accepted and what gets rejected.
Air pressure alone can change quality.
Would you trust this single step alone?
Now the real transformation begins.
Cooking area is clear, ready to begin the cycle.
Extrusion temperature stable, ready to engage.
Acknowledged. Initiating sequence now.
This machine cooks and shapes every piece.
Check the readings on gauge 3.
Fluctuation is minimal.
Motor temperature is slightly elevated but within range.
This setting stabilizes the flow rate here. Yeah.
Good call. The formation looks much better now.
Heat changes nutrition fast.
Uniform size means even nutrition in every bite. Here, the readings match the projections for the cooling rate. That confirms product stability for this batch. What happens if pressure slips unexpectedly?
That run looks good.
Let's start the quality checks on section 3 now. Quality checks start right here on the line.
The internal structure seems consistent. Porosity is within spec.
Yes, the creamy layer is evenly distributed.
Would you fail an entire batch over one bad sample?
This is where consumer trust gets sealed.
Would you feed this to your own cat? Of course. So there's your own cats.
Yes, absolutely.
Where does it wait before shipping to stores?
Ready to leave the factory for retail stores? Keep it coming. Watch your angle. Straight back. Hold. Stop right there.
All right, keep it coming straight back. Watch that top clearance. Easy now. Okay, you're clear to set it down. What protects this product after it leaves here?
Would you trust this entire journey from raw ingredients to finished product?
This unit has passed all quality control checks and is now being prepared for distribution.